Gonna use our trimmers, create the first bald line for a mid taper.
Using a lot of research in that world, and then also like learning more about
Going with that shaver.
like typically going with the clothing line and kind of stand out a little more nature. So like, I'm gonna need to like some kind of labels I can put on clothes and
No guard lever open.
I don't want to get ready.
And we're gonna create like a rainbow shape, arch type of shape to this guideline. One and a half open. Looking into that weight.
For my brand, like real simple,
Like, what's the brand? Is it going to be your name?
no, it's called
Close it.
the whole point of it is going to be like, I guess it's quote unquote a premium fit, like a premium lifestyle. People that are working towards a different lifestyle. People that understand the value of, you work.
A one halfway.
Right, so that's the goal.
Please like video and subscribe if you want to have great hairstyles or improving barbering skills every day and beat the weekday blues.
Close it. Gonna go with our trimmer again. I'm flicking out with little to no pressure.
So the first shirt's obviously it's gonna take. So it's gonna be a little smaller, not huge. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little patch with the logo here and a little patch up here, right? There's like the little things that to me says.
And then that blends in the stubble to the
It's like cool. I can rock this.
skin.
Exactly. Yeah.
Now we're gonna grab our no guard, close lever, and flick this bottom line out. Little to no pressure once again. Open it. And with this part I'm anchoring, so I'm not quite flat on the scalp. Finally detailing with the half guard closed. Just using the corners, little to no pressure. Open it a little bit with those dark spots. Make sure this fade has a nice gradiency. I'm gonna line it up.
And definitely like the time in my life where I'm the most prepared to like put some money into it and like hopefully it's not something, you know? It's not my first rodeo trying to do it, but this is I think the most legit I've gotten. Yeah.
Alright, so right here you can see this weight line that we got. We're gonna use our clipper over comb and our trimmer to get that out. So I go in there and I kind of just anchor it on the scalp with the angle that I want to cut at.
Obviously that one's a little bigger, the more recent one's a little smaller, but I want to do a little patch on the side with a little on it. Just do something like that on the back. So I'm going to turn on the first shirt, so I'm going to turn on Untitled Chapter, which is their tripod.
It's a lot softer.
Ryan